In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import audio in BandLab. By the end, you'll have your audio file sitting neatly on a track in the BandLab studio, ready for editing, mixing, or arranging. Start by opening your web browser and heading to bandlab.com. If you're not signed in, you'll see options to log in. Choose the Google Sign-In option to make things quick and secure. When the Google window appears, select the account you want to use and confirm by continuing. After a moment, you'll land on the BandLab feed. From here, look toward the top of the page and click Create. This opens the path to starting something new. Choose New Project to launch the BandLab Studio. It may take a second to load, and that's normal. Just let the studio initialize. Inside the studio, you'll see an empty session. Click Add Track to create your first track. In the track type window that appears, pick Voice/Audio. This creates an audio track designed for vocals, instruments, or any pre-recorded file you want to bring in. Now find the three-dot menu on that new track. This is the track's options menu where you'll find import controls. Click the three dots, then choose Import from Disk. Your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the audio you want to use. Common formats like WAV and MP3 work great. Select the file and confirm. BandLab will upload and process the audio, and then you'll see the waveform appear on your track. If the file is long, give it a moment to complete. Once it's in, you can click and drag the clip to align it with the start of your project, or leave it where it is if you're layering it with other elements. If you notice the volume is too high or low, use the track's gain and fader to set a comfortable level before you add effects. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your file name is clear so you can find it easily. Higher quality formats like the WAV often give better results for mixing. And if your audio has clicks or silence at the beginning, trim the start for a clean entry. If the project feels out of sync, check your project tempo later and decide whether you want to time stretch or keep the original timing as is. That's it. Your audio is now imported into BandLab and ready to work with. Save your project so you don't lose progress, and you're good to go. If this was helpful, you're all set to import more files and start building your track.